I'd like to lead you through a really fun, easy to play bluesy jam called I'm the King of the Whole Wide World. This isn't the song by Elvis, this is a tune by a guitarist named Deke Dickerson, and in a moment I'm going to flash the chords right here on the screen so you can strum along and we can have a good time together. The strum we're playing is a nice backbeat cowboy shuffle, just like this. If you'd like to learn the introduction that I'm playing, you can click right here to get caught up on the introduction, or just lay out of the introduction and strum along with the chords. There are 3 verses. In between each verse, you'll hear this walk up, this little link in between each verse. Okay, so that's part of the introduction. That is a link in between each verse. Second thing I want to share with you, feel free to change the words because it talks about picking guitar, but you can change the words to strum an ukulele. I'm going to sing the original words. The third and final thing I want to let you know is that there is a printable version for this lesson and many others available at my Patreon page. Please click the links below if you'd like to join as a member of Ukulele Zen's Patreon page. Thanks so much for your support. A lot of goodies waiting for you there. We're going to have a simple strum-along version of this, and before we do, I want to outline this kind of tricky part right here. It's got a bunch of chords, and I want to make sure that's clear for you. Just so you know, if you are a patron at the $5 tier or higher, some of the bonus content this month will teach you this chicken picking, Travis Pickens style. Kind of thing. This chord progression forms the end of each verse, and it also is the tag ending. It moves from F to C sharp diminished to C to A7, D7, G7, C. My practice suggestion for you is to, as you make friends with each chord, is to feel the space in between each one. What's in common between this chord, F, and the F sharp diminished 7th? Well, almost nothing, except that this middle finger is right at the same fret it needs to be. Try to feel a pivot of the hand as it moves to this D7 shape with these 2 fingers added. Next tip is once you move from this chord to C, just lift off everything but the pinky and you're ready to go with C. From there, it's an easy change to A7. Then hop on up to the bar, to D7, and then back to G7 and C. That is a very common chord progression, well worth hanging with. Thanks for being with me. You ready to play? I'm going to start with that introduction. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. I'm the king of the whole wide world. I'm free just like the breeze. I ramble around and I pick guitar. I do as I damn well please. Oh, I'm happy and contented. I've a little wealth of fame. I'm the king of the whole wide world, though few may know my name. Well, you might find it funny, a king without a crown, but no one on earth is richer, no one can bring me down. Just a suitcase and a guitar is all I need to reign. I don't have to do much labor, I just have to entertain. Last one, well, I'm the king of the whole wide world. I'm free just like the breeze. I ramble around and I pick guitar. I do as I damn well please. Oh, I'm happy and contented. I've little wealth of fame. I'm the king of the whole wide world, though few few may know my name. Tag it. I'm the king of the whole wide world, though few may know my name. There you have it, a fun tune to play. Thanks so much for joining me. If you dug this video, hope you'll give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel. Lots of content like this coming out each and every week. I'll see you in another video soon. Take good care. Keep on jamming.